Angle of friction. What is angle of friction? Let us take an example. If there is a block of mass m placed on a rough horizontal surface, let the coefficient of friction be mu. Since there is a contact between block and the surface, there will be normal reaction. Let it be n. And the moment when we are applying an external force on it, there will be a counter force develops between the block and the surface. We call it as a frictional force. And when our applied force is keep on increasing, even frictional force also will increase, because frictional force is a self-adjusting force. But can frictional force adjust to any value? Certainly not. There is a maximum limit at which the frictional force can adjust to our external force. So that maximum limit of the frictional force, we call it as a limiting friction. That means when our applied force reaches to limiting friction, the body will start about to move. If our applied force exceeds the limiting friction force, then body will comes into motion and it will move with a certain acceleration. So when our applied force is equal to limiting friction, what happens? If I look at the normal force and limiting friction, the resultant of normal force and limiting friction, let me call it as Fr. This is resultant force. Now, the angle between resultant force and normal reaction, we call it as angle of friction. What? The angle between resultant force of limiting friction and normal value is equal to angle of friction. So from this what we can say, if this is the resultant force, then if this is an angle theta, then this will be Fr cos theta, and the horizontal one will be Fr sin theta. What does it mean? Fr cos theta is nothing but normal reaction, and Fr sin theta is nothing but limiting friction. So let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. We know that limiting friction is equal to mu into normal. So let us substitute this in equation 2. What we get? Fr sin theta is equal to mu into n, and let me write the equation 1 here. Fr cos theta is equal to normal. So let us divide both. Fr get cancelled, n get cancelled. So what we get? Tan theta is equal to mu. So the angle of friction is nothing but tan inverse of coefficient of friction.